Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts and just sharing my experience with this pressure relief seat cushion. Now, when you first get this, it's going to arrive like this, so quite compact. Let's get the box open here and we're going to get it opened up together and give it a second to get its shape back. All right, so in about a minute, it has its full shape back and it feels wonderful already. This is 100% memory foam and it is a quick rebound. So you can see here as I press it, how fast it recovers and gets back its shape. The cover that is on it feels absolutely wonderful. It's thin and feels nice and breathable, so it shouldn't get hot as you sit on it. And it is removable. There is a little zipper here, so you can take that cover off and wash it. And there you can see that memory foam. The bottom of the cover does have all of these slip resistant dots. So whatever surface you have this sitting on, say your office chair and you are moving around, this should grip really nicely to that surface and not be sliding around as you sit on it. This has a nice ergonomic shape that contours to your legs and up behind your hips. And it does have this donut-like cutout here to give relief for your tailbone area. I have personally fractured areas in my pelvis and even my tailbone. And ever since then, I do experience discomfort when I sit for long periods of time. And I do have to sit a lot because of my job, working on the computer, working on my phone. So this is something that I absolutely love. Plus, I'm currently pregnant. So just in general, there's a lot more pressure whenever I am sitting, and this provides so much relief and comfort. So if you guys were looking for a great seat cushion that's going to help relieve pressure while you're sitting, whether you work a lot and sit, whether you're a student maybe, or maybe you've had some injuries like me and just experience pain from sitting for long periods of time, I think you guys would really love this. I would definitely give it a try.